Welcome back to Deluxe Motorsports. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2015 GMC Sierra 1500. It's a SLE Regular Cab short bed. These trucks are actually pretty rare. They stopped making these. This thing has come fully loaded, factory navigation, fully loaded, all power options. It's a beautiful truck. Four-wheel drive. Perfect time to own a little truck like this with gas prices how high they are. Truck is in excellent condition. Let's take a look at the interior. This is only a one-owner truck. So it is in very good condition. Comes with full weather techs. Keep the carpet looking good. Full power options on the seats. Four-wheel drive controls. Everything right there. Fully loaded with the nav. Take a look at it. Truck is in beautiful condition. Probably not going to find another one like this. Truck has very good gas mileage. Has a 4.6 V6 engine in it, so you won't be spending too much on gas. Very clean truck. Come on and take a look at it. Check us out on Facebook, YouTube. Check out our direct website at deluxemotorsports.com.